Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Nikki Styling Her Curves. I am Nikki, and today I am bringing you a recap of my recent birthday vacation trip that I took to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. I was fully intending to vlog the entire trip, but I realize now that vlogging is actually hard. It's hard to pull out that camera and capture the moment. So here's gonna be some clips of the trip, and I'm just gonna do a voiceover just so that you can actually have an idea of what's going on. So I flew in out of JFK Airport. The flight was about 3 hours. The first day we stayed at BDay, and that was okay, but the next couple days we stayed at Serenade, which was amazing. Here you see the beach. A lot of people complain about the amount of seaweed that is on the beach on this side of the island, and I think that's just due to storms and things of that nature. Right here you're seeing a clip of the nighttime at BDay. They did not have any actual performance, which was kind of not so great, but we were only there for one night, so it wasn't a big deal. This is the pool there, and then room tour. Okay, so you walk in, there is a sink and a shower. There I am. Closet, safe, there I am again. Then we have the living area, our bags, a mini bar, a balcony, a beautiful view, and this balcony is so big. Oh, there's my husband over there. The beach is giving. Okay, and then you can actually go in on this side. Let's see if it's open. They upgraded our room, so kind of them. These are two, I think they're king size, not queen. Then you have a closet here, another closet there, the toilet, double sinks, and another shower. That's the room. The hotel had a lot of beautiful views, so many activities. You're going to see us playing bingo in a second, and then we went to a show. We had dinner nightly at different restaurants. You just have to make a reservation in the morning. So here's some clips of that. Welcome to the boat. I didn't go this way too. Yeah, come on. As we wind down to the end of the video, I'm hoping that you've already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't, please be sure to subscribe. I want to share with you some tips for traveling to the Dominican Republic. In order to get back to America, you do need to get COVID tested in advance, so make sure that you do your COVID testing before you return. Make sure that you download all of your applications and have screenshots, because the service at the airport is very poor to try to go online and retrieve these things. And the airport was quite chaotic, to be quite honest. We got to the airport 2 hours before our flight and we almost missed it. So I recommend getting to the airport at least 3 hours ahead of time. When you get there, you will actually go through customs and all that stuff and take a bus to your airport, to your airplane. So I just wanted to note that. And then we're at the end. So I want to thank you guys for watching and make sure to stay tuned for new videos.